Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to compare two lenses. The first one is 55 to 210 4.5 to 6.3 OSS lens. This lens is sell in many cases as a kit lens, so a lot of people is using it as a first telephoto zoom lens. You can get with this lens very nice portrait effects. It's also very good for shooting some bigger animals like dog or cats. You can also get some nice effects while shooting, for example, landscapes. So it's nice for the first telephoto zoom lens. And the second one is 70 to 350, also 4.5 to 6.3 OSS G Lens. As you can see, it's a much bigger lens. It's also much heavier. It gives you a very nice range of focal length. It's a full frame equivalent of 1.105 to 525. It's a very sharp lens. It's also designed for APS-C, and it's also stabilized, so you can use stabilization. It's working very nice on the focal length. Now you can see very nice big glass in the front of this lens. This lens is looking very professional, and when you have this lens in your hand, it also feels very nice. You have a switch on the lens as a autofocus manual focus lens. You can use also a hold button and also switch on or off stabilization of this lens. So it's a very nice feature that you can control something from just lens, not from your camera. And the last part of my setup in this video is Sony Alpha A5100, as you can see on the right side. It's a APS-C camera. It's just some entry-level camera, 24 megapixels, APS-C, flip-out screen, as you can see, and that's the setup I'm going to use it. And I'm going to show some photos to you, and we're going to compare especially sharpness of the pictures that we will have. All the photos are taken with the same shutter speed, the same ISO and the same focal length. So all the difference you will see is just the difference of the lens. So that's it. And let's go further. Okay, and we've got a first picture. The first picture will be always 55 to 210. The second one is 70 to 350. And now we've got a comparison. As you can see on the right side, you've got much more details, better sharpness, and you can see clearly better performance. Okay, here we've got the second one. As you can see, 70 to 350 is a little bit more bright. It's just a lens. Here is I think that the right side is a little bit better, but it is just my opinion. Okay, and we go to the next. You can look especially in the bokeh now. Look, that's 70 to 350. It's the same focal length, the same aperture, but the bokeh is better. And here again a little bit sharper on the right side. I think it's clear. The next one is very interesting. You can see also that the 70 to 350 has better bokeh, clearly better bokeh right now. It's also much brighter, and as you can see, you will get much more better performance in here in details. So I think that is a better contrast and much details in here. Okay, here we've got the next one. Also the kit lens is worse in bokeh. Here bokeh in 70-350 is much better, and again I think that it's clear that 70-350 is better in here. In my opinion, it also has nice colors. 55-210 now, 70-350, again better in bokeh, and as you can see now you can have better sharpness on the right side. Look at the edges, that they are more crispy, better, and also the bokeh on the right side is more creamy. It's very clear now. In this photo it's aperture 7.1, so it's a very high aperture, and in sharpness I think that both lenses are very close, but the bokeh is a little better on 70-350. Okay, the next one 55-210, the next one is 70-350, and now we will see how much difference in details. Look at the right side, especially when you are shooting small objects. Look at this details on the right side, it's just amazing. Yeah, nothing to compare here. Okay, now a little bit of some letters on the container, and also I'm thinking that the right side, so 70-350, is much sharper. It has also much contrast, and the edges of the letters is just more crispy. Yeah, so it's clear. And the last one, just some random flower. Look at the bokeh now, 70-350, clear winner. And also in sharpness and details, I think that the right side is clear winner here, so 70-350, yes, that's my winner in here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Comment and like below. Don't mind subscribing, liking and share. Thank you very much. See ya.